Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you um, three new templates that we have in Microsoft List. Currently, if we go to the 9 dots and choose Microsoft List, we can click the new list and we can create from blank, from Excel, and from existing, and we can choose these templates. All of these templates were existing, but we have three new ones. We have gift ideas, expense tracker, and recipe tracker. So let's see what each one of those is. So if I click on it, we'll see the gift idea has uh, the name of the gift, the price, the recipient, the occasion, the link, and if it was purchased. We can click here to use template and it will create it. Let's go to this expense tracker. We can see here the item, the date, the amount, the category, description, and the receipt. Third template is actually recipe tracker. We have the recipe, the tag, the image, picture of it, and the link. So let's try to create it. We'll just leave it like it is. And here we have all of the information. So we can enter here the name one, and we can enter here a link. See, we can give a tag. If we tried it, the image we can upload later. Let's just close this. We can go here and actually add rest of the information. So here we could put a link. Let's put this link. Hopefully it's not too long. And where we can add here the image. So here we are, and now we have all of the information. Now, if the same thing should be through Microsoft SharePoint. In the team site, I can go here to the new and click list, and I have these three templates. What I noticed is it's not available on the communication templates, I guess because it's not really relevant, because communication is more for company uh, news and communication. So if I just go to communication site and I click list, you'll see the templates. It's not there. In this case, actually it is. So maybe it's rolling out. But really, I don't find a communication site that would need it. We also have this Microsoft List MSA, which is like a free um, consumer release, which is free. If we log in actually and click new, we don't see these templates, but eventually it will be. Notice that you can create from a blank list, existing list, and here is from the CSV instead of Excel. Not sure quite why they're using CSV and not Excel, especially for consumers. But who knows? So here is actually an example how it looks. So in this case, it's actually a calendar view, but you noticed here it's possible to create multiple views. Also here you can export only to CSV, and this is more like it. So at the end of the day, we have three templates which are coming out of the box from Microsoft List, and try it out and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.